Have you ever been bogged down on a project implementing roles and permissions that seems to just drag on forever? Well, Cerbos Hub is to the rescue. Say farewell to never-ending months of frustration and let us introduce you to a faster, more scalable, more reliable way of implementing authorization. Let's dive into Cerbos Hub. Cerbos lets you implement authorization in days, not months, and Cerbos Hub is an all-in-one management system for the entire process. It all starts with a collaborative IDE enabling you to prototype, test, and iterate on policy in real time with your colleagues. You get instant feedback on how a change to a role or a condition impacts the different resources inside of your application. Cerbos Hub connects to your existing GitHub repositories, so you own and control your policies with no lock-in whatsoever. Cerbos Hub's managed CI pipeline compiles and tests policies on every commit, and if the builds are green, manages the coordinated rollout of those policy updates to all the connected policy decision points which are running inside of your infrastructure alongside your application. Cerbos Hub distributed policies are not just efficient, but they are optimized for faster startups and reduced memory footprints of decision points. And now uniquely with Cerbos Hub, it is now possible to do authorization at the edge or even on client devices. Cerbos Hub generates an embedded policy decision point powered by WebAssembly for the same policies that are running in your backend infrastructure. So this means you can now do authorization from anywhere in your application stack. Cerbos Hub fits into your existing development workflows with support for multiple workspaces for different teams or applications inside of your organization. The CI pipelines run builds based on any configured branch or tag or commit even, and policy decision points are subscribed to receive the updates in real time as builds pass. Cerbos Hub streamlines the deployment and management of decision points and provides that audit trail of policy updates as they roll out. So Cerbos Hub really is your one-stop solution for simplifying authorization management. So say goodbye to authorization's headaches and say hello to Cerbos Hub.